you know, and using what looks weak, they have managed to bring to an end situations that would otherwise cost life and destroy property. I think it is important for us to know the strength of what society can be if we marshal all our assets and resources, whether they be men or women. I am very encouraged that through the drama from Santa Maria, was it? Santa Maria, congratulations, you did a wonderful job. Tuwapigie makofi jamani. And I want to promise our children in those areas, in the North Rift, that the government of Kenya will make sure that the challenge that our children go through, many schools have remained closed for many years. I promise them that listening to the girls from Santa Maria, the government of Kenya, as I undertook to the nation, is inspired to make sure that all our children go to school. We have mobilized. I saw the girls here say, whether you have informed the police or the army or the Air Force. I want to tell you, we have mobilized the police and the army to go to the North Rift to make sure all our kids go back to school. And they will be there. It doesn't matter for months, even for years, until we sort out the challenge of banditry, until we make sure that we open every school, and until we make sure that every child is in class. I also listened to my good friends from Vihiga, I think, SSA. Was it SSA? I listened to SSA and their performance. And I heard them say something like, hakuna kazi, which is what it is. That's the society we live in. In fact, there are two very important, and I think the most popular, signs. One is umbwa kali,